The flow path can be edited by clicking on the flow path and modifying the parameters within the Edit Flow Path tab. The cross section can be edited between circular, rectangular and elliptical. The radius and the thickness of the flow path can both be edited. The central spline of the flow path can be edited by modifying the start and end weights using the slider bar. For more fine-grained control over your designs, individual parameters for the start node and the end node can be modified within the start and end tabs. Within here, you can change the cross-section of each side of the flow path, as well as the radius and thickness of individual ends of the flow path. By clicking on the Compensation tab, the user has the ability to modify the cross-section of the flow path to be self-supporting. This can be useful as it will eliminate support structure requirements within the internal channels. The top cross-section and the bottom of the flow path will be modified automatically to be self-supporting at the build angle that you desire. By clicking constant DH, the hydraulic diameter inside the flow path will remain constant to ensure that you get an even mass flow rate throughout the pipe. The maximum overhang angle and bridging distance can be entered for each flow path individually.